So how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Just like last week, this is going to be the weekly recap video where I just kind of go over my live trades. I'll share a few of the live clips and then I'll go ahead and break down each and every trade in my Notion trading journal. I had basically a break-even week. I believe I was break-even on my Webull account trading options. And then on my Apex account, I was barely red. So I did okay this week, but definitely could have executed better. But yeah, I guess break even is better than being very red on the week. So let's go ahead and get into it. So enjoy the live trading.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in long on ES. I sort of wanted to get an entry around the 45s or 44s. But I'm long at 46.5, which is not bad. Like if we squeeze up here through high day, we could certainly get some nice scales. Because yeah, this looks like a decent momentum trade to the upside here.
Order submitted.
I'd like to take off 8 at the 49s. I also want to be cautious simply because the NASDAQ is approaching resistance.
Order canceled.
I'm not a huge fan of this pullback. I really want to try and let ES consolidate. Okay, well, now it's pulling in.
Order submitted.
I'll just put a hard stop in here. It's going to get hit.
Order filled.
Yep, there we go. Yeah, this is kind of what I thought would happen. Get stopped out, and now it's going to rip up, isn't it?
Order filled.
I'm going to jump back in here. I'm willing to give it another chance.
Order filled.
Okay, that could have been a mistake. No way, this is about to happen right now.
Order filled.
I'm going to give it one more shot on ES here. This is a very nice reaction
Order
off this
submitted.
level. NASDAQ finally looks like it wants to push up through whatever it is, 400 on the QQQ.
Order submitted.
So we're simply going for a 1-to-1, maybe a little bit more.
Order filled.
Wait, what was... Did I just...
Order canceled.
Oh. So I just completely wiped away the loss. Dang it, I should have scaled out of 8. Or only like half or so. Alright, I'm in Google calls here. Google is doing a nice break and retest of this level. This is a level from the higher time frame. If I zoom out a little bit, it's these highs right here. If we pop this high, I'm out of 1. Yeah, that's a new high of day. I cleared my throat. Jeez, I don't know what was up with that. Anyway. Nice, we're almost at my... Oh my word, let's go. I'm selling right there. That's a beautiful trade. That worked out so fast. We went from here up to my next level in like 2 minutes. I'll take it. Okay, NASDAQ is pulled back to this pre-market high. I'm gonna go long here.
Order submitted.
This looks like a nice momentum play to the upside. I really want to target that 17,050 level, but we'll start with the high of day break, you know. Okay, it's still coming down. If we get stopped out, that's okay. I think there will be an opportunity to re-enter.
Order submitted.
Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get out of 2 here. Give me that break of the highs.
Order filled.
Okay, good.
Order canceled.
Alright, this is what I'm going for on the last runner. Try to get it filled at the 29s right before the 30s. Okay, we're almost there. I always get so tempted to just take it off here. I'm going to try my stop to this. It's right here. See, it almost got there. Now it looks like it wants to pull in, but I know I should be patient.
Order filled.
Perfect.
Order canceled.
Awesome. That's a very nice momentum scalp, a break and retest of the pre-market highs. Probably my favorite setup in the market. So we're up 167 on the day. Go ahead and ignore this 185. I was doing some testing on my demo account. Let's see. Let me just cover that up so you're not focused on that. There. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at my Notion journal here. So the first trade on Monday, I took 3 trades on ES. And I ended at exactly break even, but I was at a loss due to commissions. So if I take a look here, I had the right idea on ES, but not great execution. This could have been 1 clean trade, but instead I took 3. So, no, I did not mean to do that. Okay. Full screen here. It was a continuation off of a key level, basically a break and retest. First I went long here, and I got stopped out, but sure enough, after that the market got back above the level, so I went long here again, and I actually avoided a loss this time. I closed it at break even, and then it came back down and had a very nice bottom wick, so I entered long off this hammer candle here, and this was basically a 1-to-1 risk reward. At this point I think I was down 200 on the Apex account, and then I got to move back into high of day, and I made back like exactly 200. On Tuesday I took 2 trades. I had a break even on the Dow. I made a mistake here. I shouldn't have taken this trade at all. I didn't realize that right at the low of day there was a level of support from the prior day. It was a decent looking setup. Bear flag under this pivot low here. I went short, then I closed it at break even because I didn't realize that this was support from the prior day. So that was a mistake in my analysis. Then I made some profits on AMD, but I'm not very happy with P&L because my losses are usually more than this. It was a breakout pullback to the previous high day and the support level around 147. So I went long here. I scaled out at the highs, and then a few minutes later I just closed out the runner because the price action was pretty choppy and slow at that point. And then on Wednesday I had a nice trade on Google. I made about 20 bucks on the Webull account. This trade worked out very quickly in my favor. I don't normally trade Google that much, but when the price action is nice, it can certainly move. So it was a breakout pullback to this key level, which I believe is at the pre-market high. Let's see, something like that. Anyway, so yeah, this was a nice little setup here. Had 2 contracts. I scaled out at the highs and then I sold the other one at my resistance level, which was a perfect exit. So that was a pretty nicely executed trade. Then on ES I took a loss. This really did not make sense. I had way too much of a bullish bias here because this was a major level from the higher time frame. So I went long here when it got back above the level. But I noticed that if the market just closed below my level of support and then gets back above it, it tends to be lower probability. And plus this is not really even that great of like a bull flag breakout pullback setup. So I shouldn't have taken this trade. It looked like a mini Head and Shoulders, to be honest, and I went long here and pretty much instantly got stopped out. So not the greatest trade there. Then I took a loss on Microsoft. The level was pretty nice and I was honestly pretty confident that it would hold, but the futures just dumped and I brought Microsoft down with it. So it was 3 58, 60. I went long off that level. Very nice bullish candle. I held through this pullback. Got to move up to VWAP. I did not scale out because I only had one contract. And then the thing is, I was only up about $10 on the contract here. And then when it dumped and fell through the level here, I lost about 30 because, yeah, the premiums just drained so quickly sometimes. So when it comes to option trading, I really want to focus on momentum trades rather than like reversal supply and demand trades. So that was a loss that kind of wiped out my gains from earlier in the week. And on Friday, I made a decent profit on the NASDAQ here. This was a very nice setup, very nice break and retest of the pre-market high. So right after the open, we came back down, retested this level. So went long here with three micros, scaled out at the high, and then I sold the last one right at the 1730s, like a tick before it. So those were all my trades on the week. Yeah, I'm definitely getting better at being selective and taking only setups that are in my playbook that I like, which is really just those momentum scalps, those break and retests, breakout pullbacks. So I'm going to really try and focus on just those trades. And so yeah, we'll see if I can revive this Apex account and get it back in the green. So anyway, yeah, those were all my trades. I hope you guys enjoyed the recap. And if you have any advice for me as a trader, please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I would love to read it and reply to you. I definitely improved my trading a lot this past year, and I'm very excited to get even better this year. So hopefully I can get funded soon, and yeah, I will continue to document all my progress on this YouTube channel. So thank you all for supporting me along my journey. So that's going to be it for this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.